Okay, this is another video that deals with the AccuLoad program and one of our newest features and additions to the program, which is equipment selection. We've taken in a lot of requests that once you do your load, you can automatically match up some equipment with it. And we've done that in the program. So once you've done your load, you've ran your report, determined your heating and cooling BTUs, we can click on System 1 and you'll notice that we have an equipment selection tab here. That breaks down your total cooling, your sensible, your latent, and your heating. So that's what my load came up there. Now, what we have to do before we can select equipment, if I sell train or carrier, I have to tell the program what brand of equipment I'm looking for. As you'll see here, we have pretty much every ARI listed manufacturer in the program, whether you're looking for Day and Night or Goodman, Heil, ICP, Lennox, they're all going to be listed in here. You just highlight the one you want, you click Convert Database, then it will be in your program. Now you'll see there that I have Train and I believe I also have Carrier already in the program. So I click on Close. Well, now I've done my load, so I can select my equipment. Now it's going to go alphabetical, so I'm going to start with my outdoor unit. You'll see you can choose an air conditioner or a heat pump, and it automatically gives me my capacity. According to Manual S, you can oversize by about 15%. It automatically calculates that, and it gives me 509 records, carrier matchups, that qualify based on my SEER rating, my EER. If I change that to train, you'll see all of my train units here. Now my load was right on that borderline of being a 3.5, 4 ton. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my capacity a little bit just to give me some 4 tons in my system, and I'm going to change my SEER rating to a higher end unit and my EER to a higher end unit. And you'll see here that it gives me some options, so I can just scroll through. Okay, this one looks like a good one. I'm going to go with the 15 SEER air conditioner and that furnace, and that's what it's going to do. If I need to change my sensible heat ratio, I can adjust that if I need to, and you'll see it populates my ARI reference numbers and models and things like that. Well, now I can also choose an indoor unit. And if I'm going to stick with train, maybe I will go with, you can sort these columns alphabetically if you want. You can change your efficiency if you want. And you can change your capacity if you want. So you can come down here and say, okay, I'm going to go with this furnace right here. I'm going to click Close. Now it populates that furnace and that reference number. So you'll see it populates all of this for you automatically. When we click on Reports now, I may have to resize this. It may do some calculations for me again. It's going to give me an option to include an equipment selection. So when I click on that and I click Preview, I'll go ahead and resize this. It's always going to be page 2. So this is your equipment selection page. It shows you what you designed at, what city, state, and then it shows you here's your heating equipment, here's your cooling equipment, and then down at the bottom it does what Manual S does. It verifies if your equipment's big enough but not too big, and it tells you whether it's sufficient or not sufficient. And that's the whole purpose of the equipment selection. So if you choose an air conditioner that isn't big enough for your load, this report will tell you it's insufficient. We've just had a lot more people requesting this from utility companies. They not only want you to turn in a load, but they want to see what equipment you're putting in that meets that load. So we've put this in. Again, this is the equipment selection. You can find it in your outline under System 1. We do have all manufacturers in there, all of the updated equipment. Any questions, give us a call. It's 815-452-2345. The email is support@adteksoft.com. Thank you.